Due to recent system upgrades, the navigation to the budget and reporting tools has changed. Here are the new navigation instructions. After logging in to PantherSoft Financial, click on the Employee Self-Service located in the upper side of the page. Click on Budget Development. Now you are in the home page where all the necessary tools to develop your budgets are located. To run reports, click on Envision. On the left-hand side of the page, you have access to Define Reports Request, where you can run the reports, Report Manager, where you can download the report when it's ready. To go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. To run a query, click on Query Tools and run your query. As previously mentioned, to go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on the Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. Finally, yet importantly, to review and edit your budgets, click on the Budget tools. Here, you can access the following tools: the Position Budget, the Transfer In, Out, the DSO Reimbursement, and the Detail Budget Maintenance. Following are the instructions on how to use the tool you have selected. The data for your current fiscal year forecast will be entered in the actual ledger, and your next year's budget will be entered in the requested ledger via the DBM page. To navigate the DBM page, these are the steps. Navigate to the main menu and click on FIU Budget Process. Then Detail Budget Maintenance. In the business unit, entered FIU 01 for all operating funds or FIU 02 for the FIU Foundation. In the ledger field, choose Actual for your forecast and click Search. On the top right hand of the DBM page, you can see a timestamp of the last time the transfer tool was updated. In the fiscal year box, input this current year to forecast the remaining 4 months. Then type the activity number you wish to forecast and click Query. Please note, to minimize scrolling, you can click Personalize and click which column you wish to hide and click OK. This screen shows all the budgetary accounts available. For the current fiscal year, you are forecasting 8 months of actual and the original budget for the remaining 4 months. Please note that actuals cannot be changed, but for expenses, click on budgetary account you wish to forecast and change the remaining periods. To return to the main DBM page, click Return to Search. In the Ledger field, choose Requested for current year's budget. Click Search. In the Fiscal Year field, type in the current year budget. Type in the activity number you are budgeting for and click Query to proceed to the next screen. This is the screen to enter the 12 months of requested data for revenue, temporary employee expenses, other operating expenses, and OGO. This screen shows all the budgetary accounts available for the current fiscal year you are budgeting. the description, the roll-up account, and the roll-up account description. You can click on the column to sort. Again, you can personalize the screen to hide columns and sort each column as you would like to see them. Click Calculate at the bottom and the amounts on the right-hand side will appear. To add an account to your requested budget, click on any account, click the plus sign at the bottom left, click OK to add a line, and then type in the new account. Click Save, and the new account will appear on your data by year page. To add budget to a certain account, click on the account and add the amount in the appropriate periods. If these are reoccurring expenses, you can click on the calculator link and add the periods as expected and click OK. Save them. Please note that the cash transfers is to be input via the transfer tool and the positions via the position tool. These will automatically be brought over to the DBM page. When you are done, you can run the FC report to review the changes made to your forecast or the R2 to review your changes made to your budget. All changes will appear on the Report tab. To review both ledgers in one report, you can run the RQ and this will show you all the funds and activity numbers. This concludes the instructional video for the detailed budget maintenance.